Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of fun on the farm today. We're feeding the cattle here. This one's tired. Sarah's starting a garden. She's watering it now and the plants will soon grow. This little piglet is having fun. First to arrive are the cattle. This is a Simmental bull and cow. They have a calf coming in the next shipment. And this is a piebald cow and calf, and here's the little Simmental calf. The two Sarahs want to hand feed the calves. They've got an apple each. Time to feed the adult cows. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. Can you tell me how many white geese in today's video? This one's a bit tired, and the calves need a drink. And Sarah has a new garden arriving. We're going to plant some seeds and water it. And a fence to protect it. And here are the pigs. A piglet, a Hampshire sow, a Berkshire sow, and another Hampshire sow. And here's some pink pigs. There's two mothers and a piglet. The two Sarahs feed the piglets. They're enjoying their cuddle. And now time to feed the adult pigs. Next up we have ducks, geese, and a black cat. The black cat likes to patrol the balcony. Chickens, roosters and rabbits. We're expecting some new baby chickens. No, they haven't hatched yet. I'll come back later and have a look. They're out of their eggs. The rabbits are enjoying their carrots and lettuce. Next up we have the Haflinger family and the English Thoroughbred. The English Thoroughbred. halfling, stallion, mare, and foal. The girls want to feed the foal. Time to feed the adult horses. Oh no, we have some pesky kangaroos. They've been in the vegetable garden. Lots of fun on the farm today. I love those kangaroos. Thank you for watching my videos. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.